Hey guys, Techman here, also known as Matthew Rivera, and today I'm going to be unboxing a Sabrent USB hub, which is 3.0, and I'll tell you why I got this right after this.
I'ma teach you how to.
Hey guys, so as I said, I am going to be unboxing a Sabrent 3.0 USB hub. And I got this because when I was editing the MXL 990 microphone unboxing, I had to record my voiceover, and what winded up happening was I couldn't use my mouse because I had two storage units, which is like a USB and a hard drive, and I only have 3 USB ports on my computer, and I couldn't use my mouse because both ports were being used for the hard drive and then one was for the USB to my mixer. I was getting frustrated and I got like anxious and upset because I cannot use the mouse pad while editing. I can only use it for like little tiny things here and there, like just browsing or whatever. But if I'm editing, I just can't use a video editing program without a mouse. And the best part is that it didn't cost a lot. There's a $14.39 3.0 USB hub, and that is not powered. I got the one that was powered. So as you can see, I got the one that was powered. I got the one that was powered because I am running my mouse, my hard drive, the USB, and the USB for the mixer. And a lot of people said that without the power, it just runs two devices, or it's not great. So I just decided to get the power one and spend a little bit more money, which isn't really a bad thing here. I also like how Sabrent did appearance wise. The packaging is very catching to the eye. It has my favorite color, blue, in it, and I just love the overall detail around everything. I love the packaging also, just the boxes and how everything is, and it's just very appealing to the eye. Okay, moving right along, and here is the power cord or power adapter. Now, the box here, the only thing that's blue is just the case around it, you could say. Everything else has this very cardboard looking type of material. It looks recycled, but I'm not sure. It's maybe just how it was made. I love how the box itself looks presentable as well. So that's that of that packaging, and now I really want to open these and put them to use instead of letting them be in the box. So let's unwrap these or unbox them right now. So we are saving the best for last, and let's unbox the power adapter. I do think there isn't much of anything in here except for the power adapter itself. So let's open this. Okay, let's get this out of the way. Ooh, so it has Sabrent all over the box now. That's pretty cool. Let's open this up. inside is the power adapter, and it's pretty thick. I thought it would be a little bit smaller, but this is a USB hub, so I do think it is supposed to supply a lot of power. Let's set this to the side, and we have a few documents in here, I guess. Okay. I'm guessing this is for an adapter for another product of Sabrent. That's what I think this is for. It's very good for them to add that. I like that touch. And you never know, you might need it for another application of some kind. So let's put this to the side, and there is a document for a warranty, same thing as the MXL990, extend your 1 year warranty to 2. Spread the love online. I will always do online reviews, but it will take time for me to actually do an in-depth one. This is just a unboxing, but I will definitely be doing that. Okay, let's place everything that I don't need in the box. Close it up, and I will place everything on the side, and we will unbox the USB hub. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, okay, there is some information in the case itself. This is weird. So it's just like info, I guess, like drivers, or tells you you have a year warranty. It's basic advertisement, I assume, because people do open it, but I slid out because I thought there was nothing in it. That's pretty cool. That's a good surprise for people to open that instead of it being just a white color. It's pretty cool. Alrighty, let's place this in here. Get in there. Alrighty. Place this to the side, and place this to the side also. And let's get the hub. The moment we all been waiting for. This is like the main event here. This is the thing that I got. So let me unbox it for you. Man, this ugly blade has to be replaced. Man, this plastic wrap can be very stubborn sometimes. Alright, let's open the top here. Nothing really special in there. Oh, wow. Padding, foam padding, huh? I guess something in here is very valuable. Let me take this out, and behold, the hub. It's very clean. Very clean as in just, it's neat and very well put. It feels decently heavy. Feels like it's decently heavy, which means the components inside is heavy, but the overall thing of it is aluminum, so it's light. There's rubber here. That's very nice, so it won't slide off your desk. Alrighty, I got the model. Can you focus, please? I got the model HB-MC3B. Also, there's the USB and the power in the back. I really do like that engraved circle thing. I don't even know what it's called, but I like the style of it. I'm assuming that's an LED light. I don't know. Maybe it is. Can you focus? Nope, it cannot. Alrighty. I feel like it is a LED light. But yeah, this thing is very small. I thought it would be a tiny bit bigger. But yeah, I love it. I like how small it is to fit on tiny desks. Let's lift this foam up, and let's lift this cardboard. Oh, just a piece of cardboard. That's cool. And behind that cardboard is the USB itself. This one looks very similar to my LaCie hard drive, LACIE. It has that type of connection, 3.0. Alrighty, in here, it's the same thing as the power adapter, spread the love online. I like that. And it's the warranty in the back. Awesomeness. This is a deja vu, huh? Just kidding. Okay, let's take out this manual. I'm guessing it's a manual or instruction guide. Nothing else in there. So this is just instructions on how to connect it to your computer. Yes, it is a LED light right down there. I was right. That's sick. There it is. Alrighty. Back here it just says enjoy. Blah 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 blah. Da, 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 da. Nothing really important. Alrighty, it's basically a plug and play type of deal. Pretty cool. Alrighty, that's everything in the box, so let's do an overview. Okay, here's the rundown. On the left side is the power adapter. You have a power adapter or something to something. You have the actual power cable and the manuals inside. And then on the right, you have the USB hub itself, and then a few manuals inside the box. And I had my eye on this for a while, and I finally got it because of the MXL990 editing issue. So I'm anxious to set this all up, so I'm going to show you how to set it up right now. Alrighty, the first step is to plug in the USB into the hub itself. The second step is to plug in the USB to your computer. The third step is to plug the power adapter or power cable into an outlet. And last but not least, plug in the power to the hub and you are done. It's that simple. Now I was contemplating on placing it either here or on the opposite side where my mixer and my monitor is. And I just decided to place it right here because I looked at the USB and the USB was very short. So I'm like, yeah, I should place it there, and it's not that big, so it's not going to really take up much space. And if you haven't checked out my MXL990 condenser microphone recording kit unboxing, the link will be in the description box below, and also it'll be at the very end of this video. Now, since this is a unboxing tech review, sort of, let me do yet another cinematic sequence of this. Now I will have to admit this thing looks really cool. It's stylish, it fits very well with my desk, surprisingly, and it's just very small, very small. As you can see, this is from when I'm editing this exact video, and as you can see, my USB Logitech receiver from my mouse is there, the USB for the hard drive and another USB drive is there, and right next to that is going to be the USB for my mixer. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you doing? You should subscribe. There's something called a notification bell. If you press that notification bell, you will get notified whenever I upload a video like this or any video of that matter. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did, and this is a Techman signing off. See you later, guys.